What is up, everybody on YouTube? Here, I'm going to be trying something that I got from the store. First, I'm going to try it out of the can. I've already opened it up, so and if it doesn't taste good out of the can, then I have a cup here that I can just put it in the microwave and cheers. That was out of the can. Before I put this inside the microwave and gonna try it out of the can inside the cup. Let's see what it tastes like after 30 minutes inside of a microwave. Yep. Now we just wait until the microwave is over. So this is all scientific. I bought it with my own money, so I went down to the store, got that particular drink, and decided, let's see what it tastes like when it's inside a can. Inside the can, you know, out of 10, I give it 3. Cold before I popped it in the microwave. Still the same. Whoop. Using the phone. um That's what it needed. So if you ever get it, dump it out of the can and then put it into a microwave safe glass. In this case, I put it into a coffee cup, and now, oh yeah, whole lot better. So if you ever get the Folgers coffee inside of a can, you can do this exact same thing. You can try it yourself, and results may vary. But I have a question for everybody here on the YouTube. All of these cookbooks, I have Snoop Dogg's cookbook, Supernatural cookbook, 50 Shades of Chicken, and the list goes on and on and on. and plenty of others. Mostly, cookbooks start from here on over. The actual question is, out of all of those cookbooks, what do you want me? Pick your favorite, number one. Comment, page number, book title, and I'll make it. Cheers. Oh yeah. Tastes so much better when it's out of the can and inside a coffee mug. Bye.